Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see the floor plan, single story, 40 by 60, 2,400 square feet total part area, and build-up area 1,148 square feet, north-facing floor plan. Uh, while entering the main gate, there is a big portico cum car parking in the size of 28 by 20 feet 3 inches. And in the right side, there is a old house in the size of 10 by 27. And then staircase is available in outside of the house. And opposite this staircase, there is a sit out 16 feet 9 inches by 7 feet. While entering the main door, there is a hall, uh, somewhat a square hall, 21 feet 9 inches by 20 feet. Uh, in the northwest corner, there is a passage. That passage you can enter into the old house, and common toilet also available there. 6 feet by 3 feet 9 inches common toilet is available. And then in the southeast corner, there is a kitchen in the size of 11 by 10, and dining is available near the kitchen in the size of 10 feet by 10 feet. From the hall, you will enter into the dining, and then you will enter into the kitchen area. In kitchen, stove is available in the east wall. Uh, and then via dining, you can also enter into the master bedroom in the size of 16 feet by 10 feet. And then one more bedroom is available. Kids bedroom is also available, 16 by 11 feet with attached toilet, 11 by 4. Bed position is available in the south side. So that while sleeping, our head we can place on the southern side, and the wardrobe also available in the southwest of south side. And then all the windows and doors are placed in the positive areas. This is like a simple single story floor plan. So if you need a floor plan like this for your plot area, you can check out our website at www.houseplans.com and houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. Uh, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest and Design Nest app. Check it out and install now. If you like this video, like it, comment and share it. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.